Hi fellows, welcome! In this interesting video, we intend to merge the bands of Sentinel-2 images in the QGIS software. So we need to have a Sentinel-2 image. We use this image as an instance. You can import any other images you want. If you're using the Sentinel-2 as well, open the Sentinel-2 image folder. Then select the granule folder, which is the second one here. Here, select the image data folder. As can be seen, all bands of the Sentinel-2 image are categorized. 10-meter bands, 20-meter bands, and 60-meter bands. Now, we import all these bands to the software. Just drag and drop. All bands have been successfully imported, and the resolution of them have been written at the end of their name. You can also manually sort them. Based on our needs, we can merge certain bands in the resolution of 10, 20, and 60 meters. So to merge, we go to the raster menu, and from the miscellaneous, select the merge option. For example, in the input layer section, we can select our desired bands. So here we select bands 2, 3, and 4 with an accuracy of 10 meters. And click on OK. We check to place each input file into a separate band option. And set the output data type to integer. Finally, we save the output file in a specific path. And run. Our bands merged here. For better appearance, we go to the properties of the merged image. And from the symbology, we set the RGB bands to 4, 3, and 2 accordingly. Now let's perform the merge operation on 20-meter bands. Like previous steps, go to raster menu. From the miscellaneous, select the merge option. In the input layers section, we choose the desired bands. This time, we select bands 2, 3, and 4 with an accuracy of 20 meters. And set the appropriate output data type. Checking to place each input file into a separate band option is required. Finally, save the output file in a specific path. And run. Go to the properties of the image, and from the symbology, set the RGB bands to 4, 3, and 2. Here you can see the difference between 10-meter and 20-meter bands. We perform the whole operation once again on the 60-meter data. the difference in the resolution of the images has increased. So in this way, we can merge satellite image bands. Hope you find it helpful.